The big story of the day. The Congress party viewers stands exposed on all fronts after several of its leaders targeted the IAF and army chiefs following their statements on Operation Sindoor yesterday. Senior Congress leader and Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Abhishek Manu Singhvi has now hailed the revelations made by the Air Force Chief regarding the operation. In a social media post, Singhvi wrote, and I'm quoting him here, "Indian facts speak louder than Pakistan's propaganda. Pakistan's top guns fell faster than their, in fact, flight narrative. And when India takes flight, lies crash land." Singhvi's remarks stand in sharp contrast to the statements made by multiple Congress leaders yesterday, from saying "kuch to gadbad hai" to urging the forces to stop commenting and even questioning whether any Rafale jet was shot down during the conflict. Rahul Gandhi's netas left no stone unturned in casting doubts on our forces.
बार बार सफाई देना, बार बार देश की जनता के सामने ऐसे बात रखना, इससे साबित होता है कि भाई गड़बड़ तो है। अब गड़बड़ क्या है, कभी कोई सीडीएस कभी कुछ अलग बयान देते हैं, सेना प्रमुख अलग बयान देते हैं, तमाम तरीके से इनके तमाम आला अधिकारी अलग बयान देते हैं। इससे साबित हो रहा है कि कहीं न कहीं मामला गड़बड़ है। अब इसको पूरी तरीके से देश के सामने आके सारी बातों को कहना चाहिए कि असलियत क्या है और सत्यता क्या है, ये देश को बताना चाहिए।
I don't know why again and again army personnel are coming before the press. Once they clarified, then they should keep mum on this subject. This is not subject to speak every day.
पूरी दुनिया के अंदर ये सवाल उठ रहा है, क्या हमारे राफेल गिराए गए कि नहीं गिराए गए, हमारे जेट गिराए गए कि नहीं गिराए गए। इसका कंट्राडिक्शन गवर्नमेंट को और हमारे एयर चीफ को देना चाहिए, वरना गलतफहमियां होती रहेंगी। ना हम हाँ कह पा रहे हैं, ना कह पा रहे हैं। खूब पर्दा है कि चिलमन से लगे बैठे हैं, साफ छुपते भी नहीं, सामने आते भी नहीं।
BJP has come out all guns blazing against the Congress party, questioning Rahul Gandhi directly and asking whether he endorses such remarks made by his own netas against the armed forces.
Ajay Rai is saying something is wrong, something is gadbad. Why clarifications are being given? Today, through Operation Sindoor, we've seen a new normal being set. How inside a nuclear power nation, we went in, destroyed terror camps, 9 of them, 11 military bases, and we downed 5 of their jets, F-16s, J-17s. We've seen how the manner in which radars, AWACS, their hangars, all of this was destroyed. Largest surface-to-air hit. These are huge achievements, but instead of lauding the armed forces, those who called Sadak Ka Gunda for army chief. Rahul Gandhi had also raised this issue. His entire party went and said that Sindoor was a failure. It was chut-put.
अजय राय और कांग्रेस के कई ऐसे नेता हैं जिनको इस बात में मजा आता है कि वो भारत विरोधी बात करें। ये वो लोग हैं जो देश विरोधी बयान के लिए चैंपियन हैं। अगर आप आज भी सेना पे सवाल उठाएंगे, आपको चुनाव में भारत की जनता और जिन राज्यों में चुनाव होगा वहां पे आपको मुंह की खानी पड़ेगी, आपको वहां की जनता सबक सिखाएगी।
Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who is live with us right now for more on this particular story as well. Pragya, on Operation Sindoor, once again, Congress seems to be divided, isn't it? If you look at the statement that has now been put out by Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Well, you're absolutely right. In fact, there are two camps in Congress. One is old Congress and one is new Congress. Now, old Congress, they are veteran leaders. They have seen the politics, when there was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when there was Indira Gandhi, when there was Rajiv Gandhi. But there are new generation politicians as well, who base their opinion on basis of what Rahul Gandhi would like and what Rahul Gandhi would say. Having said that, there are also contradictory remarks even this new Congress. In fact, at one point of time, they want to ask, why these Air Force chief and, all the defense forces chiefs are coming out and giving out details when that is not necessary and they should not give those details. On the other hand, they also want them to know whether Rafales were down. They also want to give the details of the damage that could have been, done to our, Air Force fleet. So these are some contradictory remarks that are coming from there. And also, amid all these controversies, one thing is very stark and it stands out, in fact, is that they are demanding to know what damage has been done to India. They are not ready to accept what the defense forces are saying as to how much damage they had caused to Pakistan, especially at a time when we are fighting this enemy state who is also our neighbor, not just on the borders but also on international platform. A huge battle of perception is going on, and it looks like that these opposition leaders, especially from the Congress, looks like that they are also standing on the wrong side of the divide, where they seem to be propagating what Pakistan is saying. So the problem with in this statement is that what BJP is also saying and what government is also saying at such a sensitive and crucial time, they should also be very cognizant of the fact what their statements would be, when their statement would be used and by whom, and whether they would want to stand with the government or they would want to stand with the enemy state. And you can ask all the questions you want. There is also a platform for that. But to say that, they want some details and they do not want many details from the Air Force Chief, when he said that we caused damage to the Pakistan, is not right. There is a stand that the opposition leaders also need to take in this particular matter.
Right. Pragya, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. In fact, let's also tell our viewers what exactly the Air Force Chief had said. Remember, on Friday, the Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal AP Singh, presented definitive facts regarding Operation Sindoor. The IAF chief detailed the damage inflicted on Pakistan's military infrastructure, including the fighter jets that were down. Air Chief Marshal AP Singh confirmed that at least 5 fighter jets were shot down, including F-16s, and that several of Pakistan's radars and hangars were destroyed as well. He also debunked Pakistan's 6-0 claim, dismissing it as Manohar Kahaniyan. And then it was followed by Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi delivering a no-nonsense message, indicating a possible Operation Sindoor 2.0 Part 2. Addressing troops in Rajasthan, the Army Chief warned Pakistan that unlike the May conflict, India will not exercise restraint this time. General Dwivedi had another blunt piece of advice, or rather a warning. In fact, to end state-sponsored terrorism or be ready to be wiped out. Listen in.
बोला, मैं अभी भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूं उसके बारे में, और ना मैं बोलना चाहूंगा। अगर वो सोचते उन्होंने मेरे 15 जेट गिराए हैं, उनको सोचने दो। लेकिन ये बात आपको सब बड़ी क्लियर है कि आपने कोई एक ऐसी पिक्चर देखी है जहां पे हमारे किसी एयरबेस में कुछ गिरा हो, कुछ लगा हो, कोई हैंगर डिस्ट्रॉयड हो, कुछ हो? जो इतनी सारी पिक्चर्स हमने उधर की दिखा दी, वैसे एक भी पिक्चर वो नहीं दिखा पाए हमें। सो उनका जो नैरेटिव है वो आई थिंक उनके जो वो मनोहर कहानियां हैं। सो चलने दो, अच्छा है।
इस बार वो संयम नहीं रखेगा जो सिंदूर 1.0 में हमने संयम रखा। इस बार हम आगे की कार्रवाई करेंगे और कुछ ऐसी कार्रवाई करेंगे कि हो सकता है पाकिस्तान को सोचना पड़े कि उसे इतिहास में, भूगोल में रहना है कि नहीं रहना है। अगर उसे भूगोल में अपनी जगह बनानी है तो उसके लिए उसे जो स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिज्म जिसको हम बोलते हैं, यानी कि उसका देश जो टेररिज्म को स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है उसे रोकना पड़ेगा।
Let's now move on. We have some breaking inputs coming in.